first person on our list, namely to the guy from the ZNA production channel. He makes cold arms for any kind of performance. How to make the most primitive and cheap bow of PVC tubes or turn a regular shovel into a throwing spear is an easy task. Axes, sharp swords, blades are all that can be said about a cool guy with ZNA production. And do not doubt that he would have been one of the first to pierce a walking dead with his self-made spear in the zombie apocalypse. Well, we can't say much about these guys because the name of their cool team speaks for itself. They are called Zombie Go Boom. It's enough just to look at their thumbnail pictures to understand that everything here is devoted to the same topic. Sharp axes and swords, blades, all trivial and non-trivial ways to confront flocks of walking dead. A mannequin made from ballistic gel and filled with artificial blood acts as a victim in their video. The guys find out the effectiveness of different types of weapons with the help of this gelatinous zombie and agree that all this looks very realistic and artificial blood betrays its atmosphere. The guys tried every possible cold weapon that can only be imagined for 6 experiments. Without a doubt, they will be the first team to eliminate the walking dead.